Hello guys, I got an error which is importing the numpy c hyphen extension failed. This error can happen many reasons, often due to issues with your setup or numpy was installed. We have compiled some common reasons and troubleshooting tips at. Okay, now it shows the numpy version is Python. The Python version is Python 3.10 from my volume and environment, but it shows the numpy version is 1.23.2. so I have to make sure that they are the versions you expect. So what we can do, open your terminal. For example, if you are using PyCharm, you can right click on your folder, click open in, click terminal. Otherwise you can follow any other way. Then you have to use this command pip install force reinstall and numpy, which is version will be 1.2.3.2. numpy equals to 1.23.2. I will include this command in the video description, so you can execute that command in order to fix your issue. Okay, I hope this video helps. If this video helps, please subscribe. Thank you.